Hello everyone, this is AndyFurniture and today is a new uploading. I would like to show you guys that about our shipment. So these are all from our customers ordered, and we have the bubble sofa, the cloud sofa, and the toggle sofa. Take example, this is a 2-seat toggle sofa which ordered from my customers from New York, and she likes it very much. So in this video, I will show you guys how the process of once we ordered from AndyFurniture and how it's being processed and how it's being shipped, and I will tell you all the process and the procedures. So let's go. So here is the checking department. When we finish the product, we will have a very professional checking details part. That is, we will take all the dust and check if all the linings and the materials are perfect and check all the details, and we will guarantee they're perfect before we put it in the package. And here we also have the very beautiful cloud sofa right here. And this is a full seat. This is one of my customers. She is in France and she likes this green color very, very much. And we have also talked a lot on the colors, and she finally decided this one, and this is a finished product. And we have taken the precision video and photos to her, and she's satisfied with this very much. So this is the full seat, and we arrange the package very soon and put it in the package and arrange the check to send this package to the Shenzhen port. This is also a very bubble sofa which ordered from my customers in Australia. And generally speaking, the bubble sofa will use the 3D, the plastic and canvas. And this one, he's asked the special material for this one, and we have picked a lot of different materials for his to pick up. And he finally picked up the gray color and that blue color, and she finally decided this too. So we make it for her, and she likes it very much. And we will give this into the package and arrange shipment for her very soon. So for our order procedure, it's very easy and simple. You can just send 60% deposit and we'll process your order immediately. And all the orders will need 5 to 7 days to craftsmanship and customize it. And once it's finished, we'll put the finished product into here and take the precision videos and the photos to you, and make sure you guarantee everything are perfect. And once for your commission, we will ship your package out. Okay, so we are gonna do the international package. So you can see that we'll use a very strong box in the outside. So we will guarantee the box is very enough for the toggle sofa space. Also, it's enough for the international transshipment. So as you can see, it's a very nice package, and we are guaranteed there will have no damage or no scratch, and it's perfect for you. Okay, now we're gonna pack the 2 seats. Firstly, we will use a dust bag to protect the 2-stick sofa and guarantee there are no dust inside of it and guarantee it's clean. So this is the first part. Have a dust bag to protect it. So this dust bag is very important. If you put this one into the box, it can dust proof and scratches proof and protect the sofas from all the details, and the guarantee is perfect until you receive it. And the box is very strong. You can see that it can even sit for a man. So we will put this into the box and use the scissors and strong lining to fix the box and make sure it have a great framework. And in case of the round here will get scratched or get squeezed, so we will use some little small tiny forms to protect angles and fill the box in case of the green spot. So this is the types of the material, and it's from USA, and my customer MJ. I hope you love my package. Also, I leave small pieces of the material of the Togo sofa, so you can recognize this your package. Thank you so much for support. So the 2-seat sofa will arrange it to the Shenzhen port, from Foshan to Shenzhen port. For the later track transfers to the Shenzhen port. So actually, there are lots of my customers are very curious about the shipping delivery time. So generally speaking, it will take 15 to 20 days from China to your country's port, and once it's arrived to the port of your country, and we will arrange the local delivery express to your door, and then that will be very fast. It will take like 7 to 10 days or even faster. So total 20 to 25 days if you order furniture from China, from Andy Factory. So if you have any interest of our furniture, please remember to contact me. I have Instagram and WhatsApp numbers, and we have the best quality product, best quality services, and the cheapest price. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have a fabulous day. Thank you. Bye-bye.